In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Remitly to Gcash. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move funds from Remitly straight into a Gcash wallet in the Philippines with confidence. Before we jump in, make sure you have your Remitly account ready, your payment card nearby, and the recipient's Gcash details exactly as they appear on their account. Accuracy matters here. Names and numbers must match to avoid delays. Start by heading to the Remitly website. On the homepage, look for the Send Money option and click it to begin a new transfer. You'll first be asked where you're sending. Open the country list and choose the Philippines. This ensures your available delivery options include Gcash. Next, choose to send to a new recipient. This lets you enter the details for the Gcash wallet you want to fund. Now, set your transfer amount. In the You Send field, type the amount in your currency. You'll see the They Receive field update automatically, showing the estimated amount the recipient will get in Philippine pesos. Take a second to note the exchange rate and any fees shown. Remitly displays these up front so there are no surprises. You'll then select a delivery method. Click Select One, choose Mobile Money, and then pick Gcash from the list. This tells Remitly to deliver the funds straight into a Gcash wallet rather than for cash pickup or bank deposit. You'll see a brief summary of how this method works and the typical delivery time, which is often quite fast. Next, choose how you want to pay. Select your payment method, click Select One, and choose Card. When you continue, Remitly will guide you through recipient details first, then your payment details. For the recipient, enter the first name and last name exactly as they appear on the Gcash account. Even small differences can cause issues, so match the name carefully. Continue to the mobile phone number field. Enter the Gcash registered number for the recipient. If you're entering an international number, use the correct country code for the Philippines and format the number properly. This number is critical because Gcash uses it to identify the wallet. Double-check digits to avoid sending to the wrong account. You may see an offer or prompt you don't need. If so, it's fine to choose no. Thanks to keep moving. You'll then confirm your payment method. If you haven't added a card yet, choose Add New Card and continue. Enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Type your name exactly as it appears on the card and fill in your billing address. Make sure the address, including postal code, matches what your card issuer has on file. Mismatches can lead to declines. Some cards may require an extra verification step from your bank, so keep your phone nearby in case you need to approve a notification. With payment set, click Review Details. This page is your final checkpoint before completing the transfer. Carefully scan every line: the amount you're sending, the amount the recipient will receive, the exchange rate, the fee, the delivery method set to Gcash, the recipient's full name, and the Gcash mobile number. If anything looks off, use the back options to correct it now rather than after submitting. A couple of quick tips as you review. If the recipient's Gcash account has limits or is unverified, larger transfers may be delayed or rejected. It helps if their account is fully verified. Also, your card needs to be authorized for international or online transactions. If you run into a payment error, contacting your bank can resolve it quickly. Lastly, keep screenshots or notes of your transfer details and the reference number once you finish, as these make support conversations much faster if you ever need help. That's the full process. Open Remitly, set the Philippines as the destination, add a new recipient, enter the amount, pick Mobile Money and Gcash, choose card as your payment method. Provide the recipient's exact name and Gcash number, add your card details, and review everything carefully. When your details are accurate, you're ready to proceed and get money into Gcash smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough makes your next transfer quick and stress-free.